If your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus is unresponsive, frozen or stuck, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, if your iPhone is frozen or stuck, the only way you can fix this issue is to do a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this issue appears again, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed with the software update. But if this issue is still not fixed and if you keep facing this issue again and again, then you might have a hardware problem on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix unresponsive, frozen or stuck issues on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.